Hello, hello, hello. We're gonna try this in this room, see how well it works. Give me a thumbs up. You can hear me, see me. I know we're gonna try this, so if anybody's out there, I'm being lazy today, no work today. Had to get off my butt and do something. So, hey Misty. Hey, I want to show you guys this amazing deal I got. So we're gonna do this. I'm just gonna get into it because normally a lot of people watch the replay. So let's get into this. Okay, this month you get free shipping on this bad boy, and you get this cute purple purse, bag, whatever you want to call it. It is so cute. Really, really sturdy. You can get a lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff. My lighting's just a little off. It's this purse, I'm telling you. Okay, so we're gonna go through everything that comes in here. It's over $300 worth of makeup, skincare, all kinds of goodies. I wish I could sign up all over again because it's a great one. It is good, it is awesome. So I am going to pull out all this stuff. I got my little list here so I don't forget anything, which I always forget something. But there's free shipping on this. It's 99 bucks. Sign up, get it, enjoy the makeup, and you don't have to do anything else. There's no other obligations after you get this. Now, if you want to keep going like I did, you can keep on going, sell to your friends, families, anybody you want. But there's no obligations after you purchase this kit. So once you click that join button and you get this kit, you could just keep it. I mean, it's an amazing deal. It's one of the greatest bundles we have. So let's get into this. The first thing you're gonna get in here is our 3D Fiber Lash Mascara, which is the #1 thing I signed up for a couple years ago. I thought, if I'm gonna buy a $29 mascara, I might as well get it all for 99 bucks, right? So 3D mascara comes in it. You also get, I should have just pulled all this stuff out. I threw it in here. Oh, here's the thing that goes with your purse. So you get that too. That hooks on there. All right. So you also get, let me just pull it all out. If you just hop it on, I'm going through everything that you get in this little bundle this month for 99 bucks. It's over $300 and you get free shipping. So this is, I mean, who wants to pay for shipping? I hate paying for shipping. I'm the type of person that if it says you have to spend $10 more to get free shipping, I'm the one that does that. So instead of paying the $5.50 or whatever, I'll take the free shipping any day. So I don't know if oh, here it is. Okay, so you get your 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. You also get an Epic Mascara, which, amazing, I love this stuff. I just have one coat on. I didn't do a whole lot. I have to have lipstick on. If I don't have any lipstick on, I feel dead. So you get an Epic Mascara. You get the lash serum, which I love to use this stuff at night. It helps your lashes grow. So right here is 24 and I believe 42 and 29. So right here, and I still got more to pull out of this bag. Well, yeah. So you get all this stuff, 99 bucks. You also get your, here we go. You get your quad palette. Now you get 4 colors in here. I don't have mine in here because I took mine out. Look at all that powder crunched in there. I took all of mine out. Go. And I put them in here because I like to have them all together because these palettes here are pretty amazing. You don't get this one, but I took mine out of the quad palette. You get a quad palette with 4 colors in the bundle this month. You also get a lip bonbon, which I have one, but the girls are saying they don't know where it's at. It's a vanilla milkshake bonbon. It's like a tinted chapstick, so if you're a chapstick lover, you will love this stuff. I heard it's really good, but like I said, my daughters don't know where it's at. They must really like that lip bonbon because I can't find it. All right, anyways, back to what I was talking about. You also get a cream luminizer, cream to powder luminizer, which is pretty cool. These little sticky things, stick things here, give you some shine, love, love, love. Great for going out. And you also get a bronzer, which is one of these little guys, a little bronzer. So if you're just hopping on, I'm going through everything that's in the $99 bundle this month with free shipping. No obligation once you click that join button. If you don't want to do anything after that, you don't have to worry about it. It's amazing. I mean, it's just amazing. So, and okay, I'm going through my list here. That way I don't miss anything. You also get, I believe, a rose water, but they might be out of these right now, so I'm pretty sure they're switching it up with a face wash, but I'm not 100% for sure. Rose water is amazing. I had a bad sunburn last week, and this really, really helped. So, and I'm about out, so I need to get more. I love this stuff. It made it feel nice and cool. You also get a blending brush to go with your quad, so you'll have your brush to go with it. You also get foundation samples, which I don't have my samples on me right now, but you get a little paper that has every foundation in it, and you can use, you know, try out different ones. That way, because after, there's another little special thing that if you sign up, you can get this cute little bundle thing, and you can get foundation and all that good stuff. But that's another thing, so we won't, that's if you sign up. You also get, I almost forgot, you also get a Splash liquid lipstick with it in the color Stellar, which is a beautiful neutral color. It's a very, very popular one. I'm more of the bright girls, but I love the Splash liquid lipsticks. They're amazing, and I love them. You also get, oh, she brought it. I think it's changed since then, but it's hard to see. You get all your liquid foundation samples on here.
Those
and
ones fell off.
Yeah, these ones fell off. And then you get to figure out which foundation is your color, so then you can go from there. But there's also a quiz out there, so if you're never for sure on your colors, I could send you that quiz, and it's usually right on schedule. Go.
Look at that.
Yeah, she has my robe on. Go.
It's soft.
It just asked if I wanted to tag you. Facebook's crazy.
Tag
Okay,
me?
I'll tag you later. All right, and after that, you get perfume samples. So I don't know if you guys are familiar, but we just launched perfume a while back, and my favorite one is the purple one, and I can't even read what it's called. Passionately Yours. That is my favorite one, and I have to hide it because my girls like to use it too. So you get perfume samples. I love them. You also get a little lip gloss packet of every single lip gloss that you can try. Of course I don't have it because I can't re-sign up again, which I wish I totally could, but I can't. So it comes in like a little packet, and you get every lip gloss sample in like a little tube, and you can try each of them, which is pretty cool. And you also get, for signing up, you get $20 in YCash to spend on anything you want. And then here's the kicker: if your birthday's coming up, say your birthday's like, say it's today and you want to sign up today, you're going to automatically get $25 in YCash. So you're going to get $45 on anything you want to spend. It's like makeup play money. So you get every time on your birthday, you get $25 in makeup money. So that's kind of cool. But if you sign up, you get $20. So you're going to get $45 in YCash. And one more thing that I totally wish I could sign up for again, and I can't get, well, I could get it if I, but you get a LED lighted Younique branded mirror, and I've been showing it a lot, and I wish I could show it to you guys live, but I can't. So I'll show you this one. I mean, it's just your basic Amazon purchase, but you know, you get your little light up mirror. Yeah, it's just a mirror. But the other one, it is so cool, and it's lighted up. It's got, you know, the little Younique thing. It's got a little mirror up at the, I don't know what's going on there. It's got a little mirror up at the top, so I don't know what they're doing in there. But you get that, and that is really neat. So, real quick, I'm going to go through everything one more time, because I post pictures, you know, and everybody, you know, you look at them pictures and you think, okay, how big are they? These are full-size products. So you're basically getting this amazing bundle that's over $300 for 99 bucks. So you click the join button, you sign up, you get your kit, You get all these goodies, and you don't have to do anything ever again. You don't have to. There's no obligation. They're not going to email you. You don't have to pay for your website. You go and spend that $20 in YCash, and you spend a little extra, out of your pocket. You're going to get you're going to get paid in 3 hours. So if somebody orders from you at noon, by 3 o'clock, you have money in your pocket. So that is pretty cool too. But you get the purple bag, real pretty purple bag. You get your quad palette, which comes in 4 neutral colors, which I have it in my big palette. You get your 3D Fiber Lash Mascara, reformulated. It was reformulated a while back, so all new. You get your Epic Mascara. You get your lash serum, which helps them lashes grow. Epic is amazing. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. You get your Epic. You get your Neutral Color and Stellar Splash Liquid Lipstick. I'll pull this out so I can show you. But you get one of those. Pretty. You get, just a second, I'm almost done. You get a beachfront bronzer. Give you a little color. You get bronzer. You get perfume samples. You get cream to powder luminizer. See, all this stuff. It's just amazing. It's just over 300. I wish I could sign up again. You get a rose water, which I'm not for sure, don't quote me, but I believe they're switching it out. If something is not in stock or they don't have it, they're going to switch it out with something else. So you're not going to be at a loss for anything. And, oh, here's your strap that goes with your purse. You get lip gloss samples. Cute little things. You can use them. Figure out if you like any. Blah, blah, blah. Foundation samples. You get mask samples, which I don't know where mine are at. Let's see. Hold up. You get mask samples. I got one right here. You get, I believe, detox and the oil control that's for one use to get to try out samples. So you get all that. Perfume samples, $20 in YCash. Like I said, if you sign up, tomorrow's your birthday, you're going to get $45 in YCash. Amazing. 45 bucks in makeup. So that's pretty cool too. They really take care of you. And last but not least, you get that Younique branded light up mirror. I'm so jealous. So if you want to sign up and you just want this $99 kit, nothing else, all these goodies, you're good to go. You're not losing out on anything. I know I sound crazy, but if I could do this again, I totally would, because this one here, this kit is amazing, and it's free shipping. So this month, if you want this, I say go for it, because you're going to get all these goodies. You don't have to pay for shipping. And, if you want to stay and, rock it, because I know some of you ladies that I see your posts and everything, you'd be amazing at this. It's so fun. You meet so many awesome women. It's a good time. So, 2 years ago, I would not be doing this. I would not sit on Facebook and go live because I'd be scared. But now it's like, I love doing it. It's fun. I've met so many great women. So, hi, Megan. So, if you have any questions, just message me. I have my phone attached to me constantly, which I'm always getting, whatever, your phone. But just message me and I'll get you hooked up. It's so easy and simple. You get all these things, and just shoot me a message. I'm going to go see what Elizabeth wants. So just comment below. If you have any questions, shoot me a message, and I will see you guys later. Bye.